Well, for those of you that want to know what it's like to live in your truck and where you shower and all that sort of thing, and I'll show you around our relatively new Loves between, where are we, Springfield and Arkansas. There's your pretty typical sort of bathroom, good sized shower, plenty of towels. You've got your hand basin and all that sort of thing, and now I'll go out and I'll show you around the truck stop. Here we've got all the accessories for trucks. You know, jackets, clothes, airlines, whatever it is you want. There's the fuel desk. Toys to take home to your family. Audio aisle. All your telephone needs. GPS needs. More toys to take home to the grandkids. The all-important coffee aisle. And here in this one we've got a little bit of an arcade, and I don't know who this is. Oh, McDonald's. Yeah. Typical American truck driver. You got an ATM here, really handy. This isn't a big truck stop, but it's okay. As you can see, it's a Loves. The Loves fuel tankers. Yeah, high-speed pumps. Yeah, there's the main road up there. Oh, this is the cat scale. Yeah, just cruise straight on up. Talk to the lass on the intercom there and go in and get your scale ticket. Yeah. There's the price of fuel today. What have we got there today? That's per gallon. Okay. Take care. Look after yourself. Be groovy.